Okay, so I'm taping, baby. Okay, so I'm about to do a new video. My hair looks a mess. What's going on? Okay, so I'm about to do this video, and I think I don't really know how it's gonna happen, how it's gonna work, and what may be the outcome. But this is my taser that I just got. I did an unboxing of this, I think, in another video, and I will put it in the description box. I am going to tase my husband today. I just want to make sure it works. I mean, I haven't got to try it out or anything, so I just want to play with it, see if it works, and he's gonna let me play with it and see if it works. Let's get into this video.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get the camera right first. Okay.
I think maybe right here.
You think right there?
Where do you think?
Well, at least it's somewhere definitely where you have clothes so you don't feel the full thing. I'm nervous. If you be for real hurt, then I don't know what to do. No, are you getting this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready? You want me to say it? Why you look so nervous? It's not going to kill you, baby.
It's going to fucking hurt like hell.
Okay, you ready? You want me to do it on 3?
Sure.
Oh yeah, I hear it. You hear it? I'll let you hear it first. Listen, just listen. You hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy. Okay, you want me to do it on 3?
Yeah.
1, 2. Ah!
It works.
It works. Thank you. If y'all need a taser and it would make somebody get away from you real quick and say, ah, and run over to a different room, my cousin got them for the low. So just let me know. You can email me and I'll put my email at the bottom of the description box. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all those great things. Bye. Come here, let me see it. Did it leave a mark?
I think so, but it still hurt.